Happy Thanksgiving, David.
Oh yeah, I do.
Can you say Happy Thanksgiving, Michael?
Happy Thanksgiving, Michael.
Douglas. We got turkey. You want to come see the turkey? Yeah.
Hey, where's that?
Come take a look.
What do you think of the rolls?
Look.
Where's the gravy?
Gravy's on the table already.
Where?
In that little gravy?
Wow. Come sit in your seat.
There it is.
Look at all the food. Do you see the turkey food? Where's the turkey?
Why? Yeah, I do want some of that punch.
Does that look yummy?
Why?
That's cranberry.
Does that look yummy?
No.
Yummy.
No, this.
Yeah, cranberry.
Happy Thanksgiving. Take a seat. Sit down.
Can I take a bite of it?
You sit down?
We have so much food on Thanksgiving. No,
There you go.
No.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, Thanksgiving, everyone.
That's your chair. You're right. Sit down.